Ever sent ChatGPT a prompt only to realize halfway through you goofed and wish you could just hit undo? Well, now you can. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. OpenAI's latest update lets users interrupt the AI mid-response, change your input, and watch it instantly change its answer without starting over. This is a game changer for researchers, analysts, and anyone who's ever waded through a slow GPT-5 Pro or deep research response. Instead of rewriting and rerunning the whole thing, you can now add new info on the fly. Forgot to include a key detail? Need to correct a wrong fact? Just click Update in the sidebar and ChatGPT immediately catches up. Practical benefits are huge. Imagine writing a multi-step data analysis report and realizing halfway that one source is outdated. Previously, you'd have to scrap your work and start again. Now you can just say replace 2022 data with 2024 and watch the AI adjust its reasoning, all without missing a beat. It's not just about convenience. The feature fundamentally changes how we interact with AI. Instead of the old back and forth turn-taking, you get a continuous feedback. Now ChatGPT listens while it writes, giving it a more responsive feel. No more waiting for the model to finish to correct a misstepped or misread question. It's like ChatGPT finally having a sense. Earlier versions barreled ahead confidently even when they were wrong. Now it can be corrected in real time, making it less a robot and more a partner in problem solving. For anyone who's ever groaned at wading through an overly long off-track AI explanation, this update is pure magic. ChatGPT isn't just answering prompts anymore, it's listening, adjusting, and collaborating in real time. The future of AI isn't just smart, it's flexible too. Will this update help you? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.